Let's make a banana cake. 300 gram banana, sugar 300 gram, eggs 3, 250 ml butter, unsalted butter, 1 fist walnuts, baking soda half spoon, cinnamon powder 3/4 spoon, vanilla essence 1 spoon, baking soda is half spoon, plain flour is 225 grams. Let's start. First mash the banana. Take a fresh bowl. I'm using mixing jar. Pour into a bowl. Add sugar little in it. Slowly mix it. Add slowly. Mix well until you get thick paste. Look at this thick paste. Add 3 eggs one by one into this base. I'm using mixie jar. Add vanilla essence. Take a plain flour. Add slowly. Add the cinnamon, baking soda, baking powder. Smooth stick. Mix well until you get smooth texture. Melt the butter. It has to be in room temperature. Grease the pan. Add pinch of salt. Add the butter. Add walnuts. Transfer into the pan. Preheat the oven. Set the time. Degrees centigrades. It's done now. It's dry. Let it cool down. Looks so delicious.